All right, so as I enter the room, this is the first room. You'll see there is a sliding door, so you can have privacy. A TV. I'll go back to that section in a little bit. I have a couch over here. Some extra plugs in the corner, which is very nice if you're traveling with family or kids have lots of different iPads and those kind of things to plug in. It's nice to have some extra outlets without having to move furniture around. Thought this was another cool feature. This coffee table has wheels on it, so it moves. It also has this writing desk, or you can use it as a laptop desk if you want to sit on the couch and work on your laptop. All right, now over here to this cool feature. So as I showed you before, we do have a TV in this room, but we also have a record player. How cool is that? They do have records downstairs that you can check out as well. So I'll have to check those tomorrow and see what they have to choose from. Down here, we do have a refrigerator and a couple glasses. A lot of hotels don't have fridges in the room anymore, so it's nice to have that. And another cool feature is that they have self-closing doors. So you're on vacation, you don't even have to worry about that. It just takes care of itself. All right, our next stop is going to be the bathroom. Look at that funky sink. I love this bathroom because it is separated, so you've got the toilet and the shower in one room with the sink in this section, so two people can get ready at the same time. Very cool design of the sink. I also like that it's very well lit for us doing makeup, and they also have a magnifying mirror, which you know how important those are to me. Great amenities. And let me just pop in here and show you the shower. Nice large shower. Very cool tile work, amenities, and 2 shower heads. And then to the main section. Oh, here's another fun little feature. If I can't sleep tonight, you know what I'll be doing. So I have another large TV in this room. There are some additional lighting in this section as well. I did not flip those on. And then here I have a king bed. Some very cool artwork that I've seen in this place so far. Lots of lighting, lots of plugs. Again, the hotels are finally figuring out that we need access to things like that very easily. So it's very, very cool. Bed looks very inviting. I like that it's a higher bed. That's kind of cool thing too. And then I didn't open this, so let me just check. Oh, nice. Huge closet with cool artwork in the back. 2 full-size mirrors. They do have a full-size safe for laptops, ironing board, and a robe. So some of the extra features that you get at this hotel. You'll see I do have huge windows. I do not know exactly what my view is. I have not looked out yet. From what I can see from here, I have some office buildings